Today, you're going to create a timeline of the American Revolution and the events leading up to it. This is a pretty important thing to do because there were a lot of events that happened before the revolution that caused it, and there were a lot of events and battles during the revolution, and we want to be able to keep track of all of them in the order in which they happened. A few things happened in an order that might actually surprise you. Why? Well, information didn't travel as quickly back then as it does today. For instance, we live in Michigan, and if I wanted to call someone on the East Coast, I could do that right now, and they'd probably pick up. I have a friend that lives in Europe. If I wanted to, I could text him right now and he'd probably answer. He might be asleep, but he'd answer when he woke up. The point is, we can talk to anyone around the whole world at almost a minute's notice. But back then, information traveled slowly. It had to cross the ocean on a boat and it took months. Or a horse and a buggy had to take it up the coast and it took weeks. Information traveled slowly. Because of this, some things happened in a wacky order. Did you know, for example, that the first few battles of the American Revolution actually happened before the colonists decided they wanted to fight the American Revolution? Information traveled slowly, so sometimes people had to do things without knowing that something else had already happened. So the point of this timeline is to help you keep all these things straight and in order. The things we've already learned about and the things that we'll learn about the rest of the year.